I did have fun on the horse one. I had to drive really fast on the horse one to win.
Oh, maybe next time that I come down, Daddy can take us to Chuck E. Cheese and we can go down there together.
Yeah, that will be fun.
It sure will.
I have a pretty dress. It's blue and it has stuff on it, but I don't know.
But you don't know what color is it?
It's blue. I do know the color blue. I know all the colors. I know all the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow. What comes after yellow?
Purple.
Purple.
Green.
Green.
And that's all the colors of the rainbow.
And pink comes next, right?